Our automation path builder uses triggers to send targeted email and SMS messages out to your new and existing contacts at the right time. So, what exactly is a trigger? Triggers are dates, like a birthday, or actions, like joining a list, that prompt a response, like sending an email or SMS message. There are 3 types of triggers: calendar date triggers, contact activity triggers, and shopping activity triggers. Calendar date triggers are the most straightforward. An email or SMS message is triggered to send based on the birthday or anniversary date on file in a contact's record. Every day, Constant Contact automatically scans your contacts for those who meet your date and list criteria, then starts them on your path to receive your email and SMS messages. Calendar date triggers can be found in the Anniversary Basic, Anniversary SMS, Birthday Basic, and Birthday SMS templates. You can also create a custom path with a calendar date trigger as well. Next, let's go over contact activity triggers. There are a lot of different ways your contacts can trigger your automation path. Take a look at some of the contact activity triggers here. Contact activity triggers can be found in the following templates. Same as the calendar date triggers, you can also create a custom path and choose any contact activity as the trigger. Next, let's go over shopping activity triggers. When you have an e-commerce platform like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, or WooCommerce synced to your account, you can take advantage of triggers that are based on your contact's shopping activity. Take a look at the different triggers here. Shopping activity triggers can be found in the following automation path builder, abandoned cart templates, and e-commerce templates. Same as the calendar date triggers and contact activity triggers, you can also create a custom path and choose shopping activity as the trigger. Creating paths with the automation path builder gives you endless opportunities to engage with your contacts at just the right time. Try it out today with Constant Contact.